Female, see, this is the female pelvis. It is made up of 4 bones. First is the innominate bone. See, this is the innominate bone. This is the sacrum, and this is the coccyx. So 2 innominate bone, sacrum, and the coccyx. Now, innominate bone. Innominate bone is made by the fusion of 3 bones. First is the ilium. This is the ilium part. Then is the ischium. This is the ischium part, and this is the pubis part. So innominate bone is made by the fusion of 3 bones: ilium, ischium, and the pubis. Ilium has iliac fossa. This is the iliac fossa. This is the iliac crest. See, iliac crest. It extends from the anterior superior iliac spine from the front to the posterior superior iliac spine at the back, and below the anterior superior iliac spine is the anterior inferior superior iliac spine, and at the same time at the back, this is the posterior inferior iliac spine. So now the parts of ischium. Now here you can see this part is called the ischium. This is the ischial spine at the back, and in the front this is the ischial tuberosity. See, this is the ischial tuberosity, and this is called the ischial ramus. This is the ischial ramus. So ischium has 3 parts: ischial spine, ischial tuberosity, and ischial ramus. Now the pubic bone. So it has the three parts: superior ramus. This is called the superior ramus. Below it is the inferior ramus. This is called the inferior ramus, and this part is the body of the pubis. This one. Now sacrum. This part is called sacrum. So sacrum is made by fusion of 4 vertebrae, and it has sacral promontory. This part is called sacral promontory. This part is called wings of the sacrum, that is sacral ala, right? And this is the sacral crest, and it has 4 openings. See, 4 openings. These openings are called sacral foramina. And the last is coccyx bone. See, it is made by fusion of 4 vertebrae. Now I will discuss with you the joints of the pelvis. See, the one joint that is present between the sacrum and the ilium is called sacroiliac joint. This joint is the strongest joint of the body, right? Another joint is present between the sacrum and coccyx, that is called sacrococcygeal joint. This is the most flexible joint of the body, sacrococcygeal joint. And the last one is the pubic symphysis. So overall there are 4 joints. Now the ligaments of the pelvis. So first ligament, the ligament that is present between the sacrum and the ilium is sacroiliac ligament. So this is called the sacroiliac ligament. Another ligament that is present between the sacrum and the coccyx is the sacrococcygeal ligament. The another ligament, the ligament that connects between the sacrum and the ischial spine, sacrospinous ligament. And another ligament that connects sacrum to the ischial tuberosity. Sacrum to the ischial tuberosity. This is called sacrotuberous ligament. And the last ligament is the interpubic ligament that is present here. So overall there are 5 ligaments. Now parts of the pelvis. So whole pelvis is divided into 2 parts by the pelvic brim. See, this is called the pelvic brim. This is called the pelvic brim. So the upper part of the pelvic brim is called false pelvis or the greater pelvis. This has least obstetrical significance. The only function, this bears the weight of the enlarged or the gravid uterus, and the part below the pelvic brim is called the true pelvis. This part, See, this part below the pelvic beam is called the true pelvis. This has the chief obstetrical significance, and the main function of that part is that this part act as a canal through which the fetus passes out.